Hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today I would want to talk to you guys about a term that everyone knows but we do not dare to admit that we do it. So what is this word? Okay, this word is none other than the special word called procrastination or procrastinate. I don't procrastinate, it's just that the boss sometimes, he just get on my nerve and stuff, and I hate it because I got so many things to do. Yeah, basically that is procrastination, bro. So back then when I was doing e-commerce, when I got no bosses, I got nobody, I got nobody to care for, and I got all these things to do, I wasn't procrastinating when I was doing things. Not like how I did when I was in, schools and stuff, because I was going around schools and telling my friend that, oh my god, so many homeworks, man, but actually I'm not doing them. One thing is I do not even flip open them, and I do not even see what I have, and yeah, through the time I just look through and then I just read through and all these things. And then after that I graduated to a polytechnic. I think it's fortunate for me to have that, because I literally spend time to read. I read the whole textbook, come up with notes. I wrote a lot, and I think it was crazy because a lot of people saw what I did, and they asked me whether I copied the whole textbook or not. And yeah, why didn't I procrastinate when I was writing the whole textbook when I was doing the exam? So yeah, during that point of time when I was doing e-commerce, I didn't procrastinate. I turned all this procrastinating time into finding answers. So whatever that I procrastinated, I tell myself, okay, I'm missing this. I don't know how to do certification. I do not know if this chemical is edible by this person. I do not know if baby touch this, they will get infections or anything else. Or when they eat this, it's poisonous and stuff. It will affect their growth, affect them the whole entire life. And I do not want to be responsible for that. So when I have all these procrastinating thoughts, I ask myself, okay, maybe I should ask Google about this. I should talk to Google, since Google is the only one that I can talk to, or maybe my coaches. These are the two people that I can talk to. So I'll talk to Google, I'll Google it, I'll check. Okay, I'll do this, I'll do that. Okay, I'll get this certification here. I'll get this product from here and all these things. Right after that, I'll check their certification. How do I know it's a real certification? Because I do not have any experience. And trust me, I do not have any. It's just a 22-year-old guy coming in and say, okay, I want to start an e-business, and I start selling things, and I tell the whole world that, hey, I'm selling this thing, and yeah, buy from me. Why? And all these things, and that's how the whole process come out as. I took the time, I Google it, I changed all my procrastination time into asking questions, and it became so much better because I was asking all these procrastinations, passing it all to Google, and then I came up with a list of, oh, I can do this, oh, I can do that, oh, okay, it's like that, okay, great, and I can solve it, and I can come up with ideas, and I keep going through all this process, which come up with home thoughts, selling close to maybe 450 sales for that particular month. Maybe it's because it's Christmas and people like to exchange it, but it was crazy because home thoughts is only there for 6 months. It is literally a no brand, not even branded. Nobody would even know it now. But of course, 2 years back, maybe you saw it on some television show, or now maybe you could still see the sauce dish around, but it's just that it's not under my brand. So we shouldn't keep ourselves procrastinating all the time, because that will affect us deeply. Procrastination is actually an act of telling people that, hey, I had a very bad day, and all these things, and then you keep procrastinating that, and you forgot that you're still living. Because everywhere you go, you just affect people with your negativity. You just tell people, oh, such a bad day, my boss scolded me because I did that, and I did that, I did this, I was selling, I was doing this, I was trying my best. Nobody knows what I'm doing. I'm on the verge of killing myself. I'm on the verge of telling myself, and all these things. You're just being negative. You gotta wake up your idea, dude. Nobody is gonna direct you in your whole entire life anymore. Nobody's gonna tell you how you're gonna live your life either. Nobody's gonna tell you that if you enter finance world today, you're gonna earn big bucks, or nobody's gonna tell you go IT and you will get big bucks and all these things. It's up to you. It's all these decisions that it's up to you. All these decisions, all lies under you. You choose them. You don't procrastinate through them and you tell yourself that, okay, I'm gonna get something when I start procrastinating through them. No, it doesn't work like that. That's how I implement the law of attraction. That is how I implement solution to my own brand. If I didn't go and Google it and I start telling my friends, start telling my bosses, start telling my my colleagues, my clients, start telling my coaches like, oh shit, it's too hard, man, I'm just 22 years old, I cannot do shit, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I can't, it's too tough, it's too much job for me. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, the amount of job that I was going through, I have to work 14 hours a day to make sure that everything is running per day. And then I couldn't even get my customer leads because Amazon protected them. The only way I can talk to them is through Amazon platform by sending them emails, coming out with a series of emails, writing them when I don't even have a decent idea on how I can write. And not only that, I got an F for the whole entire 4 years in my secondary school. Okay, maybe I got a pass on the last year because I was able to go into ITE and not retain in my secondary school. I think at most it's a D or a E or a F. It's either these three because I wasn't even paying attention in class. I don't even study. I just hang around, and do all those shits. And then I didn't even study English. To be frank, I made my English teacher pissed off, and recently I just sent her a message telling her how bad I felt and how important English was, and I felt really good because I think we should be appreciative of some teachers that are willing to put in effort to teach, and we really should be saying sorry to all these people that we mistreated when we are younger because we didn't think like an adult and we didn't know how our words can hurt another person's feelings. So basically, do not procrastinate. Do not lay yourself in such a negative way. Do not go around being the minus, because like what I said in the law of attraction, if I attract people like you, maybe I'll change you into positive. But for people out there like entrepreneurs, people that are successful leaders and all these things, they're just gonna remove you because you're negative. And you do not do shit. You're just telling people how bad you feel and how bad the whole entire world is treating you. But I'm sorry, man. It's all your decision. You gotta face it up like a man, or maybe a woman or an adult, and you gotta move beyond it. So my name is Forever Looney. I hope that you can stop procrastinating. Think about how you can improve your life, and think about how you can think of the positive way to keep on moving and come up with innovative ideas in this future. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.